Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is India Energy Week 2025. India Energy Week 2025 IEW 2025 began at Yashobhoomi Dwarka, New Delhi. This event is poised to become the second largest energy event globally in terms of ministerial and CEO participation. The event will emphasize 7 key themes: collaboration, resilience, transition, capacity, digital frontiers, innovation and leadership. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501. Key highlights: IEW 2025 will feature 8 thematic zones focused on green hydrogen technologies, solar innovations, and advanced exploration techniques. The event will also include the Sustainable Mobility Pavilion, where the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers will display 15 vehicle models. Other notable exhibits include ONGC's Deep Sea Simulation Game, HPCL's Solid Oxide Fuel Cell System, BPCL's LPG Cylinder ATM, and CSIR's E-Tractor for Sustainable Agriculture. A clean cooking ministerial will be hosted by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to drive policy discussions and promote clean cooking solutions globally, with India's success in the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana being highlighted as a model. Strategic impact: the event will drive discussions on energy resilience, sustainable mobility, and energy transition, aligning with India's dual goals of energy independence and decarbonization. It serves as a platform to facilitate global cooperation and innovation in the energy sector. The expanded focus on AI, digitization, and maritime decarbonization reflects the global shift towards pragmatic solutions for decarbonization, energy equity, and low carbon economies. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following is not a key theme of IEW 2025? Collaboration, innovation, sustainability, or transition? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.